Welcome back to our Python Basics series. Today, we're going to be looking at Booleans. As a reminder, this is the last data type that this series is going to talk about. These are super easy and they're super quick to teach, but we use them a whole bunch when we're programming, so let's take a look. Alright, so we often need to know if an expression is true or false while programming. The Boolean data type is used to store these two values. A Boolean will always either be true or false. The only thing we need to do is look at the syntax for creating a Boolean variable. Let's go ahead and create a variable named x and set it equal to the Boolean true. Notice how I capitalized the T and didn't put quotes or anything around it. This is the syntax for creating a Boolean. We can now just come down here and we'll print out x and then we'll print the type of x. And when we come up and run it, you'll see that it prints out true and the class is a Boolean. The only other option we have is false. To do this, we type in false and notice how I capitalize the F. When we run this, you'll see that it prints out false and the type's a Boolean. This is all we need to know for this data type. The next episode is on operators, where we're going to be evaluating expressions and using the Boolean data type a lot. Thank you for watching, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe.